Pad Thai is one of the most famous Thai dishes and is known and enjoyed worldwide. It is a simple yet satisfying dish made with stir-fried rice noodles, vegetables, egg, and a protein of your choice, such as shrimp or tofu, topped with crushed peanuts, lime wedges, and fresh herbs. Pad Thai is a perfect blend of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors that makes it an incredibly delicious and flavorful dish. The origins of Pad Thai can be traced back to the mid-20th century, during the reign of Field Marshal Pleakvit who wanted to create a national dish that would reflect Thai identity and promote the use of rice noodles, a staple food in Thailand. The dish was also meant to be easy to cook and affordable for all Thai people. As a result, Pad Thai quickly became a popular street food dish, and its popularity grew rapidly across the country. The basic ingredients of Pad Thai include rice noodles, tamarind paste, fish sauce, sugar, garlic, shallots, eggs, tofu, dried shrimp, bean sprouts, green onions, and crushed peanuts. These ingredients are stir-fried together in a wok, creating a dish that is both visually appealing and delicious. The first step in making Pad Thai is to soak the rice noodles in cold water for at least 30 minutes. While the noodles are soaking, the sauce is prepared by combining tamarind paste, fish sauce, sugar, and water in a bowl. This sauce is the key to the unique flavor Pad Thai and gives it its signature sweet and sour taste. Once the noodles are ready, they are drained and set aside while the other ingredients are prepared. The garlic and shallots are minced, and the tofu is cut into small cubes. The dried shrimp are soaked in warm water to soften, and the eggs are beaten. The stir-frying process begins by heating the wok and adding oil. The garlic and shallots are sautéed and tilt, followed by the tofu and dried shrimp. Next, the beaten eggs are added to the wok, and everything is scrambled together. The rice noodles are then added to the wok, along with the prepared sauce. The noodles are stir-fried with the other ingredients until they are fully coated in the sauce and have absorbed its flavors. Finally, the bean sprouts and green onions are added, and everything is tossed together until heated through. The finished dish is served hot, garnished with crushed peanuts, lime wedges, and fresh herbs such as cilantro or Thai basil. Some people like to add extra spice to their Pad Thai by adding chili flakes or a drizzle of Sri Raka sauce. Pad Thai is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit different tastes and preferences. For example, vegetarians can replace the shrimp with tofu or other vegetables, while meat lovers can add chicken or beef. The level of spice can also be adjusted to taste. Pad Thai is a beloved dish not only in Thailand but around the world. It is a staple on Thai restaurant menus and can be found in food trucks, street vendors, and even in some grocery stores. Its popularity can be attributed to its delicious taste, affordability, and ease of preparation. Pad Thai is a dish that can be enjoyed by everyone, whether you're a seasoned Thai food lover or trying it for the first time.